here we will see like for the front end optimizations, the coupons, promotions, and deals. Right. We also see the our SEP like SEP sales event planner also. But firstly, we will see what is coupons, promotions, and deals, and how will you do in our optimization purpose. Right. Firstly, we will see coupons. Use small discounts like typically 5%, 2%, 10% to attract new buyers and increase click-through rate, right? Coupons appears directly on the product listing, make them highly visible. So that's why we use the coupons, right? Don't worry, we go each and everything by going like how these coupons, promotion, and deals, how it looks like on our front end, right? So secondly, we will see promotions. Promotion is a great upscaling or bundling offers, such as like buy two get 10% off, buy three get 10%, or like buy two buy like some kind of offers, buy three get five off, something kind of these things. So these encourage higher add to cart and like repeated purchasing, right? After the deals, so deals obviously utilize some kind of the lightning deals, best day of the deals, 7 day deals, these kind of the deals to boost short-term visibility of our sale momentum, right? Then there are some kind of the best practices like time promotionals during high traffic days, like you can use the deals as well for like different kind of the durations. Like if you are get selected a duration of 1 week, so if your product is recommended for the deals, so definitely you can approach it with the deals. After that, the always calculate profit before running deals. Like most of the sellers didn't calculate like if I do create a 10% offer deal, so it profit margins to me or not. So this need to be had to be calculated before go through any kind of your coupons promotions or deal, right? After that, there are some kind of the mistakes with seller, freelancer, or like agency owners didn't like focus on that particularly things like giving high discount that eat into profits. Like same as I already told you, like you have to just first calculate your profit, your margins on that particular product, right? After that, the running deals when stock is low. Like you don't have to run deals or any kind of the like promotions, like buy one get one, some kind of these if your stock is low. Right, hopefully this thing is you understand. So like now we will go on the Amazon page and let's see like coupons, promotions, and like deals, how it looks like on our front end, right? Yes. So as you see here, so firstly, we will see the coupons, right? So I search here, like my product is these are women cotton floral suits, suits for yes. Here it is. That red mark and the white texted limited time deal. It's your deals like it's a some kind of 7 day or somewhat around sales event deals. Okay, and yes, yeah, you see here save 2% off with coupon. So like it's is your coupon, right? If you want to see the promotion, so when you go in the product in the like offers, if you partners offer, yes, this partner offer like percent off on any two or 7% off on any three. It is your coupon. Sorry, promotion. Right? If I select this. Yes, offer one and offer two. Offer two is like your GST invoice or some kind of giving a save up to 80% of the business purpose, right? So first offer is your promotion offer. Like if you buy any two, you get 5% off, and if you buy any three, you will get 7% off, right? So now we will understand ke, like how you would like create the coupons. Firstly, we go through the coupons, then we go through the promotions. After that, we go through the deals. Right? Yes. Okay. Firstly, we go through advertising coupons. There are some like yeah, there are some promotions already there, but there's an expire date, right? So we need to just create a. You can also just create with a bulk in the bulk. So otherwise, you can create also like create a new coupon as well. Yes. So firstly, we will start a new. Just click on new coupons. So here are two options, standard and subscribe and save options. If you are new in the account, so we recommend to go with the standard. If you are having some kind of pure kind of organic visibility on your product, so you can go with the subscribe and save option. Yes. So yeah, after that you just have to just add your AI signs. Like if you are having a number of like AI signs or like particular number of the AI signs, then you can go with that process. Otherwise, I'll tell you like how you can create the bulk coupons. So firstly, I go through the AI signs. So I'll choose. Yes. If you're having a particular AI science, like if you want these, and these products, you have to just include in the coupon, like whatever you want in the coupon. Like if you want any kind of the percentage discount, you can choose that also. If you want rupees discount, you can choose that also, right? So I simply add these AI signs right here. Okay, yeah, yes. Here it is 21 ASIs. I just simply go with the continue, right? Firstly, they will ask like what's the starting date. So if you choose 31st or like if you want like my coupons are generated today and I want like from tomorrow my coupons are going to be live, so we can just go with the tomorrow date. And for the end date, there is having a maximum of 1 to 40 days, like it written over there also. So 40 days are the maximum. So you can go with the like monthly wise. So here it is 30th of November. Here you have the options like if you want money off, so it's showing the minimum of 250 offs as we uh, discuss here. Like if you go with the coupon, so minimum of 2%, and like if you go with the rupees discount, minimum of 250 rupees. After that, if you go with the percentage discount, so it's going to like minimum of 2% or like maximum of 50%, not more than 50% you can create, right? After that, I go with the 2%. So like 2%, there is no need to like fill that percent, only just write it the number. After that, here it is an option like limit redemption to one per customer. And if you want like know that particular thing like what's this, that is also great. If you not, then there is also like written over there like if you do not limit redemption to the per customer, your coupon will only to multiple unit across orders, like but with max of 5 unit per order, right? Right. So if you are not like do the check mark option. So if you just uncheck this, it will show like if you are having some kind of 3 unit or 5 unit. So in each unit, you will get the 2%, 2%, 2% off. If you get check this mark, so you just limit your coupon. Okay, like if a customer buy any number of the quantities, you will just only give you the 2%. After that, there was a set budget, like minimum of the 1,000 budget. So I go with the 1500. If you are dealing with some kind of the other currency in the USA, UK, or the Canada marketplace, so it's going to be some kind of the dollars. After that, it will notice like your coupon will deactivate when it reaches 80% utilization. Right? It's automatically expired that particular coupon if you reaches with the 80% of the 1500 rupees. So this like thing you have to just necessary. It's a necessary part for doing like while creating the coupon. So it's the like while you put it in the PPC as a daily budget, correct? So with that, same as that the daily budget or like somewhat around total budget of the week, somewhat around, it's a simply and similar kind of the thing for the coupons. If your coupons take around 1250, like somewhat around 1200 rupees spent on that particular coupon, right? If the 80% is utilized, then most probably by like if I do the calculation 1500 into 80%, so sorry, 80%, so it will show the 1200 rupees, right? If that coupon spended 1200 rupees, so it's automatically deactivated. It's showing the budget utilized or like out of budget, some kind of the things, right? If you if this set of budget like budgeting is not there, so most of the cases if you see your coupons will exceeded 1500 also, like if there is some kind of the limit for the budget, so you can just exceed with that particular thing, like you don't have to just calculate your margins with a daily basis or like the duration basis. So that's why it's having a somewhat around set budgeting rule. So you need to just give the budget for the particular coupon, and after that the coupon title. Coupon title means like here it is also seen like save 15% on hand sanitizers, right? You will not see any kind of the things like hand sanitizer or something like your product related to your product, like there's a suit set, so 15% on suit set as there nothing, right? But we suggest you just give the title name as your keyword. Like if I go with a kurta set with dupatta and palazzo, so a kurta set with dupatta and palazzo. So this is my primary keyword, and we can use that also like woman kurta set with palazzo. Right, maximum of 100 characters you can fill out over there. So it's spacing between two words are not allowed. So palazzo dupatta. If I do, yes, it's a perfect one. So I recommend you just you can go with the somewhat around your perfect or like high search volume keyword on that particular thing. After that, there is some stacking promotion, right? If you do with the yes, allow stacking or no, do not allow stacking, I just take a few minutes to understand the stacking. Stacking means like if you allow this like yes, allow stacking. So whatever you have done in your promotion and whatever you've done in your coupons, you can just if I am a buyer, I just go through your product and I click on the coupon as well and the promotion as well. So if I having a coupon of somewhat around 10% and promotion of 20%, right? So when I go for the like buy option, like paying for my product, 10% plus 20% mix like one moment. We just go through the right. Yeah, blank. Yeah. If I have the promotion of like 10%, right? And if I having a coupon of 5%. So when I stacking allow, then what is if I do click on the buy option and I just go check out all my products, so it will sum up your promotion plus your coupon discount, right? Here is your total discount. So sorry for my spelling mistake. Please avoid it as I already told you. Yeah, yes. And if you are not allowing the stacking, like not allowing, so what now he will choose and like what now will he do? Right? Maximum, like maximum of your promotion or your coupon. It will take. This is your discount. Hopefully now totally understood, right? Yes, if you are not allowing the staking. So here it is, we don't allow the stocking. No, do not allow stocking at cost price, right? If I like having a 2% in the promotion, so there's no as such. If your margins are best suitable for that particular thing, like if you give 2% or maximum, you can give the 20% of on each item. Uh, then you can go ahead with the yes option. Like if you are also having a promotions, you can just go through it. But we suggest no, right? Here it is the review. So you can just go through all the things like your ASINs and your like if you see it doesn't have the inventory part, right? So you just have to just click on edit and just remove that. Yeah. So it's going to be removed and just hit on continue, hit on continue. And again, you just have to go through all the things. Yeah, all good to go. Just click on the submit option. Right. And you want to see that particular coupon, like if it is running or something kind of happening on that particular thing. So you can go with that, like it's showing the processing, right? With the 28th October to 30th November, as you selected earlier. Correct. Now we will see like create coupon in the bulk. So just create, click on that particular. After that, here is a download template file. Just click over there and open it. And after that, here are some options like just do enable editing. Right. Here are some options like whatever your AI signs are there, like if you are having a somewhat around these AI signs, like you have 37 variation listing and having a 425 AI signs, right? So just do create a listing, like now go with the reportings, inventory report, and just click yes. Yes, do not do with the all listing. Like you have also have the out of stock or somewhat around inactive listings. So you can just go active listing report. Just click hit the active listing report and just request report. Like after that, whatever the data is given, just copy your ASINs and just do paste it over there in a single row. Like if like I understand कि if you just go and click all the copy like select all the ASINs over that list and if you put it over there it just simply pasted in the column wise in the sorry row wise, so you just make that happening like all your ASINs are in a single row, right? After that, there is a options like if you want rupees off or like percent off as similar as we created for a somewhat around 5 or 7 products as a creator coupon piece. Like here is percent off, rupees off, whatever you want, you can just go select it. I just select the percent off. I simply copy that single ASN. I just choose a single ASN, right? Not single ASN. I'll do with the multiple thing like I just yes this and so sorry, okay, and I go with this. Yes, yes, here it is. I select percent off. After that I go with a not with the 2%, I go with only so sorry, not with the 10%, I go only with the 2%. and no rupees off. And my title would be like women's kurta suit. Whatever your title, as I already told you, like what would be your title should. You have to just give that name, or like you can just copy that, copy and paste it over here. I just copy that thing. Yeah, yes. Uh, yes. And set the budgeting is important. Like it's simple as think like whatever you have done in the previous thing, you just have to do at that particular thing. Like coupon is start date, you can just give the start date, end date, and the limitations like limit. You can just limit your coupon with a one per customer or not. You just have that option also. And after that, the coupon type, like it's a standard or like subscribe or the save coupon type. So you just do with the standard only. Target all customers, and after that, it's stacking. So I want no stacking, right? This second row, I just remove that. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, yes. I just simply save and go here. Yes, paste it over there. You need to do one thing like that. Uh, yes, that particular file is in XLSX format. So make sure your file is in like .xlsx file format, right? It is shown here .xls file, and the .xlsx file is also the same. You just need to write this thing. Uh, yes, just hit the upload option. It shows unexpected error occur while uploading the file. Please try again. So there was some problem. So I just refresh it. Simply to okay, load. Okay. So let's see file again. Oh, so sorry. Yes. Now we do like one correction. Okay, whatever we put it over here, you just need to put over here also. Here only, right? I just simply go through like again this and this. Yes. After that, I'll choose percent off and then 2%. Percent symbol is automatically there. No rupees off. Moments. I simply, yes, copy that and paste it over here. Yes. Budget 2500. Starting date, I'll choose 2021. So sorry, 21. So sorry. 25 month is 10, date is 28, right? And for my end date 2025 11 and 31st. Yes. So limitation, yes, limits. I just limit my, it's my standard one, standard coupon, like for all customers and for stacking, no. Yes. Here it is. We go. We just save that file, choose that file. Uh, oh, yes. open it, upload that file. Yes, your file is there. Please update the field. You just click on the Excel SV file. The whatever the error you have in that particularly file, you just make correction over it. Okay, so sorry. Yes, enable editing was the error. Percent off to starting date, invalid date for the okay. Invalid date. Why it's showing the invalid date? 2025, 11 month, 31st. November is, oh, so sorry. November is only 30th, right? Not the 31st. But we choose is that 31st, right? Yeah. Yes. Just click hit the save. Okay. And do select that file again. Just hit the upload. Again, it's showing some. If this happening multiple times, you just go through. Simply download a like uh, template, fresh template. Download a fresh template and just open it and fill it again, right? With like correction. Okay, whatever you put it in the yes. Okay, I put it over here. So sorry. Yeah. Yes. Mm, yes. Yeah. Perfect. It's percent discount, percent off, 2%, no rupee off, women's kurta and plazo set. I just randomly type the title, right? My budget is 1500, 2025, 10 to 8. It's 2025, 11, 30th. Limitation, limit, yes. Coupon type, standard, all customer, and stacking, no. Right? Just click hit Control S for the saving and just do a yes, upload. Please update the field while error in the given below. Upload again. Yes, for the click here over the download template sheet, template file. Just open it. And here are some limitations for like mm, mm, mm. yes, for bulk uploadation, right? You have to just fill the all your data after ninth row. Like you can just fill all the data in 10th of row. If you want multiple kind of the coupons, like if I want one coupon which is having a 2%, second coupon which is having a 5%, so you can just do that accordingly, right? But there are some limitations, like if you are having a more than 15 ASI, then you can just implement, or like you can go for the bulk listing, bulk creation of the coupon. If you are not having a more than 15 ASI, it will not like uploaded on the bulk sheet. It will going to some showing some kind of the error, right? So I just copied that thing. So like you have just better idea like how will you fill out or how will you do these things. I just go with the percent off, with the percent off 2, no money off, with the name of I simply take a woman kurta set only, right? Uh, Whatever I told you in the bulk sheet, we already know on the create coupon section. Hopefully you will understand all the things over there, right? The budgeting, and for date is 10/28, right? For the end dates is 2025 11th. I just choose 30th. Limit, uh, yes. Standard, coupon type, standard, all customers, and for stacking, no. Now we will understand one thing, like while you go with the standard and subscribe option, you just have that Amazon Prime member also. Okay, like those who subscribe or like save your particular uh, seller pays, only they like access for that particular coupon. So most probably they are Prime members. So you can just like that Amazon Prime also. While also you can just implement it like you just go through that standard one and just not having all customers, you can just select the Amazon Prime members. So that coupon only shows on the those customers who are having a Prime membership. So yes, that's it. You just save it that all data and just choose file and just select that file and hit open, right? Hit open. Currently, it's showing some kind of the errors because I only take the three ASINs as you already see here, right? Yes. If I do upload, it will showing me an error, right? It's just showing me an error. I just simply go through the errors, like what kind of the error this is telling me. So we simply go through it, and now here we will see. Yeah. Here we will see coupon do not minimum requirement of 15 ASINs, right? So that's the same thing which I told you. Like if you are not having a more than 15 ASINs, just do not go with the bulk creation. Just go with the this create a coupon, create a new coupon. Hopefully you understand was the process for the coupon creation. Now we will see the promotions. Go on the like here is a prime discount and there is also a managed promotions. So just go on the managed promotions. Here are two options. Firstly, percent off, create and buy one get one. First, we will see the percent off, right? Here is the percent of like by purchase. It's showing me the sum like at least this quantity of item, at least that amount, or every quantity of the purchase item. So hopefully, the nomenclature of that particular buyer things already says that particular thing. Like if you select that one first one, so at least amount, like if you are having a somewhat around uh, purchasing of 2000 rupees, so whatever you have done, like go with the percent of discount, so you are eligible for that discount, right? Now here we only like at least this quantity of the item you have to just purchase out for this avail this particular offer. And here is our like ASIN list, SKU list, or your entire SKU. If you are having a somewhat around some specific ASINs, you can just paste it over here. If you are having also the some specific SKUs for that particular promotion, like you are go with the buy two or like percent of most probably 20%. So if you want to, so you can just paste it over here. Same for the SKU level and for the like if you want my whole entire catalog having a this kind of promotion you can use the entire catalog and exclude item if you want like in your entire catalog. If you want like some products or some AI science my I am having but I don't want to promote those ASINs, like my promotions did not show on that particular ASIN. If there is an option for browse node ID list, right? If you are having a somewhat around like if you are dealing with some category like clothing category, in the toy category, or in a different kind of the category, so there are different for the different categories there are different browse nodes, right? So you can just paste it over there if you are having a multiple kind of the browse nodes in your account. And if you want, I just include exclude those items. Yes, after that the buyers get percent off. I just choose 20%. Like if any buyer buy two a quantity, so it will get 20% off addition for the purchase item, or like for the quality qualified item. Like if I choose the purchase item, so whatever I choose, that is okay, you are eligible for that. If I do a qualified item, so you just have to put a single ASI. Like it is same way like if you are having a somewhat around glasses, pen, and somewhat around mouse. And if you want like my mouse is my priority thing for my product list, okay, if anyone buy my mouse and with the having of some quantity or like any kind of the quantity, but if I also buy a glass thing, right? So here I'm having a two quantity, so I am eligible for that particular coupon. But I do like applies for qualified item, and for the qualified item, I send a sign for the pen material, right? If I did not buy that pen, then I am not eligible for that coupon. So that's why we use like for the specific ones, like if you are having some kind of any particular thing, it need to be purchased first. Then after that, the quantity will include it, added over there. So you can just with the qualifying item and just paste it the A sign, whatever you have, right? Yes, these things. And like if you want like no nothing kind of the things, you can just purchase out any like my particular quantity, then you can avail that particular coupon. So you just go with the purchase item. You can also set your budget, like what kind of the budget you just spend it over your whole promotion. So I just go, it's a minimum of the like 1,000 rupees. So you just make sure like more than 1,000 rupees you just set it. So I just set 1500. Yes. And it will show like whatever you have done, like to buy two and get 20% off. If you want like my all these things are also included with somewhat around like buy three and percent discount of 25%, something kind of the things. You can just add that or remove that. Like here is a starting date or end date. If you want starting date with the 28th and end date with the November 30th. Yes. And it will take most probably like by 6 hours. Like if I don't worry, I just show you. Yes. Yeah. And if I take now it's 9:10, so I go with the 10. It will showing me some error, right? Oh no, so sorry. It's a promotion, not a coupon. Coupon takes 6 hours for the like implementation. For the coupon one, it will include like it will, yes, for 3 a.m. Yeah, that's it. Right. Yes. After that, the promotion title. The same as the title I have created over there. You can just paste it over here. Like whatever you've done, like save 10% or like if I get the festival India, Great India Festival, 15% any three. You can just go through this one also. It will not show any kind any of like platform. Like it will this will not be displayed on Amazon customer, right? It will only for like your purpose, like you will define ke what's the purpose and what the thing is this. So we generally recommend to go with the keywords only. Like if you are selling having that particular promotion on the kurtas and women's sets, in the clothing sets, you can just go with the women kurta set. Like it's a tracking ID for your reference. You can just change it over there, like whatever you want. You can just make the changes. Like here are the main key. Like if you are having a claim code, there are three options: single use, group, no claim code. If like if you see any kind of affiliators like influencers use somewhat around personal coupons. right? In the like Meta or in the Instagram or in the TikTok as well. For the same kind of the things, like if you are selling on the Amazon, you can create that particular coupons on that thing, on that page also, for the promotion page also, right? If you go with the group, you can just have the claim code. You can suggest claim code also, or you can just go through also, okay, like whatever you want in the promo code, promotion code, or like claim code, you can just select it over there, like type it here, right? And there is a single use. Like if you want, okay, like uh, one by one, we take a view all the things, like whatever the things, right? Firstly, we will understand like one redemption per customer. Same as that in the coupon, we have seen the limit limit redemption for one per customer, right? If you uncheck or check marks, that is totally call for yours. And after that stacking the same thing which we'll do in the coupons. Like if you are having a coupon or if you are having a promotion, if you yes on that stacking, so add some of the promotion and the coupon, you will get the discount. If you select that no, the maximum of the promotion or the coupon discount, you will get that discount, right? In like group single use, they was on not showing any kind of the promotions, right? Show promotion on details, it will show no. If you do go with the group, it will show like promotion display text, okay. So here it is option for the like same for the one redemption per customer. You can just click over check mark or with the all cases, and you can just suggest whatever you want on your claim code. If you don't want any kind of the things, you can just go with the suggest a code. So Amazon will suggest a simply code. Right after it will show a promotion with claim code are not shown on product details. Right, it will show like uh, those promotions who like are having the claim code, you don't have to like those promotions are not have to be displayed on that particular page on the like these things. Yes, these things. Okay, like your promotion will not display over the your product page. So if I use the no clip code, so yes, definitely it will show like yes, it will show on your product or like display page. So with the help of the like no clip code, you can just create that particular coupons and just run it over there. If you want like my promotion, I just uh, influence like use the coupon code to my influencers or like a group of the members. So you can just go with that grouping and just write it over the claim code and just go with that. For the promotion page display, uh, you can give it the name like somewhat around what the percent discount or like whatever you discount do on that, like give on that particular promotion. So I'll do with the 15% with three, like most probably 50%. Okay, the 2%, 20%. Yes, 20% with any two. Right. Yes. Here it is, and just click hit the review option. Oh, so sorry. We just selected the browse node list. I just select no, I don't want any kind of the exclude. So just hit the review option. Right. Yes. So it will showing me the some alert like I you choose that entire catalog list, so it will show like entire catalog as the qualifying item for the promotion, so this will affect a large set of items, right? So you can just hit submit only. Yes, error while occurring, you will see like was the error while we doing. What's happening? Woman kurta promotion link to see this promotion. No. Yes, taking more. Promotion code applied by two. So sorry. Like I also see the qualified item, right? Yes. I just go back and just hit mm, mm, purchase item. I simply select a purchase item. Why it is showing me the qualifying item? My screen also. Most probably in the same case, most cases like sucking on that particular thing. I just enter catalog, no one, percent off like 10, 20%, purchase item, set budget of 1500. And if you want to, you can just go with the add tire 25 date. For the ending date, I choose the November one. For the title, woman quota set. And for the no use, single use claim, whatever you want, you can just select it over here. I'll choose no claim code and just text it over there 20% with any two. Like after that, I just go through all the things like what I had chooses over here. I just hit the submit button. Yes, this promotion has been created. Right? If you want any kind of the modification on that particular coupon or like on that particular promotion, you can just hit the view and modify a promotion. Right? After that, we will see like buy one get one. Create here is a like somewhat around all the processes with the lower cases like additional scheduling. All the things are the same. Only the difference is like buyer's benefit apply to a quantity of right. When buyers purchase two items, what would you would like to give that particular off or like free item? So like I'll choose if like I say it five, so it will change it with the 5K. Like buyers have to minimum buy two quantity of my item. If anyone buy two quantity of my item, so they will avail uh, like three, right? Three items as a free. Like you will select the entire catalog, and for the excluding, I don't want exclude any item. Buyers get free items only. It will be default selected with the free item, and now here you will give that qualify item if you want, if you are having a somewhat around variation over the listing, like somewhat around great variations, great number of variations. So you can just give the ASI like if anyone like if you want to avail that particular promotion, you have to buy this particular ASI. Right now at that particular time, I'll go for the purchase item and I set 1500. And here it shows like if I purchase two item of any kind of the particular ASI, so I'll get three, right? So the one is the free item I'll get. And if I give the five, so if I buy the two items, I'll defaultly get, if I do do check it with the promotion, I'll defaultly get five items of that particular product. Like most of the sellers and like agency owners having the doubt like if I do with this thing like if I selected in a purchase item entire catalog and I did not exclude any kind of the product and I did not also applied with the qualifying item, I do only with the purchase item. So if a buyer buy different product, different two products, so at that time what you have to do? Right. So I'll tell you like while you are having these kind of the coupons, like if yeah, take that particular example, like if I choose that particular thing, color or like that blue color or like that purple color, so I take one from that blue color and one from that particular uh, like lavender color, the purple color. Right. Now I give that particular limitations like you have to buy two particular quantity of a single AS, right? If I go with the particularly this Excel, so Excel of having a color blue having a different ASIN. So if I choose that buy option, I just choose with the two quantity. And if I choose that two quantity and avail that promotion while doing the checking, uh, right? So you just have no other options or like you just not having any other options for like if I When I also having a two quantity of that particular ASN or that particular size or color, also I are also having a somewhat around two like mm, 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 color of purple and having a size of XL, then it's going to be like difficult to having a somewhat around what I like what's now I have to do. For that purpose, we do yes, while we doing with the grouping, we do one redemption per customer, right? Like whatever they choose and what maximum they can maximum what they having some quantities, any kind of the quantity, more than two quantities if they choose, then they only check it for one particular at a one particularly one time, right? Hopefully you will understand. Like if I'm having somewhat around if I take an example, A by like XL two quantities, then there is no issue. Like you can get if I having a buy two get three, right? So it will defaultly get three items. Now, if the same A purchase XL of two quantities and also the 2XL like 2XL with also having a two quantity, right? Now, what you have to give to them? The question is arises here, right? So there is no as such confusion over there. Like you have already selected the redemption per customer only one time, right? So there's no need to like confusing like whether you will go with that or like whether you will go with that, right? You can go with any kind of any one of these. Like Amazon will take on like Amazon will automatically select it over there. Like if you firstly choose these products, so that product only having a three items. If you choose that particular product in your firstly, then Amazon will select these for the these product for the promotion items. Then it will not show, right? So there's as such no confusion over the promotions for the buy option. Okay, like if I go with the buy three or get five options, so it will going to be some harm to your product or some harm to your margin. So there's nothing kind of the things, right? After that, each and everything will be the same process. While you we created a like percent or percent promotion. So the same thing, like you can just go with the keywording of your product or like keywording to your category wise your producting, right? And buy one get one, whatever the like I have buy three get so sorry buy three get three, buy two get three. Yes, you can just edit it as much like whatever you're comfortably choosing, you just have to do, right? And for the signal and for the no claiming, so no for the stacking one, showcasing on the product page, that's it. You just click on review, and after reviewing it, you just go over there. Like it will show number of the item of which the discount appears is invalid. Enter a value that is less than a purchase threshold. Okay, like yeah, it means like what you are going to give on that particular thing. Like if like I'll choose if anyone buy two product, I'll give only one, right? Yes. If anyone buy three products, so I'll give two extra, right? So these kind of the things will be happen on that particular thing. Like if you want, like I'll just go. If anyone buy uh, five like two quantity, if and I want to like giving if anyone buy two quantities, I'll just have to give five more quantities. So five plus two, it's going to be like your seven quantities, right? So there is no nothing kind of the things like the buyer benefit applied to a quantity of three two when buyer purchase three items. So it will be like buy three, get five, something kind of things, right? Just go on the review option, just do check all the things, and just hit submit. Your promotion has been created. If you want to be like where I have to see my those promotions and like if I want to any kind of the modification, so where I see, right? All select. So search. Mm, yes. Verified submission. Yes, it will give you like it's your submission. So it will not activate right now. It's going. It's in the processing state. So here you will see your buy. It will automatically says like buy two get three. Right? Like yes. And if I your promotion, it will take percent off. Firstly, we will give the percent like buy to get 5% off, and for the second one, in the like meantime of the 10 minutes or after the 15 minutes, it will show in your activation list, right? In that particular area, okay, like it will be activated. Okay, like if you getting the promotion with the date of the today's itself date, so you can just go with that thing. Yeah, yes. It will be in pending. Yes, the both are in pending state, right? Because my date of the coupon promotions is 28th and today is 27th. So that's why it's in like is in pending state. Hopefully you will understand like what's the purpose for the promotions. Now we will see like what's the deal, right? Yes. As I already told you, like deals is the some kind of the weekly deals, like best deals, lightning deals, day best day deals. These kind of the things are considered in the deals. So you just have to do much as much you do for the coupons and promotions. If your account is having some recommendation on that particular deals of your particular items, particular product, then it will be showing here. If not, then it will be showing that there is no recommendation from the Amazon side. So after that, you will like do nothing for that particular thing. If you are having an Amazon account manager, then only they will like select those ASNs and get it over the limited time deals. Just create a deal, new deal, and yeah, it will show there are no recommendation at this time. Recommendation is generated on the weekly basis. Please check back periodically, right? So here it is. There's no as such recommendations, but for your reference, we will go. Mm, yes, hopefully this account having the recommendation for the Ds. I quickly check. Create a D. Yes, it's having a, recommendation. So like you will get uh, like the limitation deals, like best deals, like your event deals, some kind of the things, right? You just have to just select and select the date, what whenever you want. Like it's having a somewhat around weekly date. So I'll choose 3, 3rd to 9th of November. You can select only one date at a particular time, right? And you will here select some your ASINs and your quantity, committed quantity. Here is also the percent like discount per unit. If you're I'm selling 1000, sorry, 1148 rupees. So after discount, you get 1990 rupees for the buyer pays, right? Now this price is not shown on my product page. Only this price will show after getting live this particular deal. And if you are having a somewhat around this scale, like this option set as feature ASN, right? If you see here, and of course it will show in the deal section also, like Amazon having a deal section, like best day deals, limited time deals, or today's deals sections. Like if your product is display over here, like now this product is having a featured ASIN. If I go and select this set as featured ASIN, then it will show only that product. If I go with that set as featured ASIN, so my product, my deal pays for that particular ASIN for the particular deals, it will show like these lines, right? And after that, filling all the things like having a minimum quantity, what like you have to just assign somewhat around your quantity, like what you like having quantity on that particular deals. So not 10, like whatever you have in your inventory part, you can just simply go with that also. Right. After that, just hit the submit deals and just submit deals option. I did not do that particular of time because due to of the margins, due to of the profit margins, I did not go with the deals option. Right. So simple is that like you just have to create the deals. Now we will see what's the thing for the like SEP. Right? We understand what is SEP. So SEP it's a sale event plan. Why we use it? Because maximum impact during key events. So like while we are having a Prime Day, Black Day, Cyber Monday, and seasonal holidays like Diwali and Christmas, we generally use the SEP, sales event plan, right? Here are some planning check marks or checklists you have to do before your SEP event. Firstly, your inventory part, like forecasting demands and restoring FBA inventories earlier for like mishappening or like uh, easy to avoid stock like stock outs. So early to so sorry, early to avoid stock out. So while you are doing with the listing, update and optimize listing with seasonal and like your event specific keywords. After that, the deals. Submit lightning or 7-day deals for approval well before every deadline, event deadline, right? And after that, the advertising part. So plan higher PPC campaigning, higher PPC budgeting, and allocate funds for engaged traffic on that particular durations. During the event, continuously monitor inventory levels to prevent running out of stocks. It's like basic thing like while you are doing your SEP or like while you promoting your products on the event. So you have to just maintain these things. Track and performance and adjust campaigns in real time basis on for the results. It's like underrated things like generally sellers or agency owners or like freelancers doesn't look out their campaigns like as usually we recommend like having optimization on the coupons with a 7 or like after the 7 days, but for the event time you just have to take a review of all your campaigning and your adjustment part for the campaigning with a real time. Yes. So now we will see like where it is set. Here, click on the three dots, go in the growth section, and the last option, sale event planner. Right. You will see here any kind of the recommendation Amazon will recommend. It will show on here. Like there is SIP small, SIP smart, sell big deals. So there's as such no recommendation Amazon will give to our product. So it is live from 60th October to November. And if we talk about the creating a festival sale, so Amazon will recommend like on that. Yes, Amazon will recommend our 7 product. So while Amazon will recommend your product on any kind of the particular event. It will show like this, like participate in deals, 7 recommendations. View recommendation, you will show the ASINs. If Amazon will not recommend to your product, no recommendation as such is shown. Right? It's all about the like your promotion or like your yes promotional part. Now, here we will see a quick revision of that particular thing. Like while we use promotion, coupons, deals, and why we use and what's the kind of the thing is this, right? So firstly, we go for the coupons, and like for the coupons, there's having a high visibility and batches like green, like coupon batches, as I already shown to you over here. Yes, this green color, right? After that, for the Yes, after that, for the coupons, the costing, the budget-based costing over there. Like we will see, like we set a budget over the list coupons and duration. Once we talk about the duration, it go going to a flexible. Like you can go with the like 40 days, right? So it going to be flexible for the coupons. And for the promotion, also the visibility is medium for the promotion because promotion will shown under your product page, right? Not upon your product page, not upon your main or like front page. Uh, it will show only in your detail page. And batch applied at checkout while you are checking out your product, then it will then you can just apply that to particular promotions if you are having, right? For the promotions, no extra cost cutting. Like as such, we use the budgeting also here, and there's no as such extra cost cutting. And for the duration, it will same as the coupons. You can just select the more not more than 40 days, but in between 1 to 40 days. For the deals, high visibility, like yes, we will see like in the duration, it's a limited time, the duration for the deals, like it's having somewhat around week or somewhat around having a 1 day, and some deals are having a somewhat around deals like event deals. Uh, yeah, for the batches, we told like deals batch or the deal space batch you are having, and for the costing is the fixed fees. Okay, like whatever you done, like give to your customers for the deals, you just having that particular percent of or rupees off only. So if you see like these things, limited time deals and yes, Great India Festival sale is now it's over, so it will not show any kind of the Great India Festival sale. It will only show in the limited time deals, right? So these are the things for the deals.